Instagram directly doesn't allow you to keep multiple links on your bio, but with just a simple trick and an extra effort, you can put multiple links on your Instagram bio. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to keep multiple links on your Instagram bio, first of all, choose a suitable web browser. Today I'm going to use Chrome. You can choose of your own. Tap on it, tap on the search or type web address, enter here linktr.ee, and this will take you to the official website of Linktree. Tap on get started for free. Now you need to register for it. So to create an account for free, tap on this username and create a suitable username for yourself, and then tap on email address, use one of the email address, tap on password and create a strong password. When you're done doing all, tap on the square box to agree for all of the terms and condition and privacy policy related to Linktree. When you're done doing all, tap on sign up with email below. So now you need to tell your name here. Keep a name for yourself. When you're done keeping a name, scroll down and tap on continue below. You need to select a category that best describes your Linktree. So I'm going to choose randomly one of it. You can even pick a category after that, the subcategory, and it's kind of optional, but still you can do it if you want to. And then tap on the square box in front of I'm not robot. Tap on continue below so you can see that. As you get into a page like this, here you can see that you can use Linktree free for $0, or even you can pay for it. That will cost you $6. So since we are trying to use it for free, I'm going to tap on the square box in front of free $0, and then scroll down, tap on sign up for free $0. You can see that. Now you need to verify your account, so you can go to your Gmail and then confirm it right at the moment. As you get into the home page of your own email address, you'll get a Linktree notification on the top. Just tap on it and then tap on verify email. So you can see that your account has been verified. Tap on continue below. So here you have an option of adding a new link. That is, you have been welcomed to Linktree, and you can create a first link, add a Linktree everywhere, date your profile image and theme. Tap on no thanks. You can tap on no thanks for right at the moment. As you do it, you will get an option of add new link. Tap on add new link, tap on this title and keep a title for it just like this, and then tap on URL and enter the link just like this, and then tap on the stick option straight to add new link on the right corner. You need to choose the type of link that you're trying to share. I'm going to choose add video link. Now, as you have set a link for yourself, you can tap on share option straight to my Linktree, and here is a link here. Tap on share. Tap on add Linktree to your socials. Tap on Instagram. Now you can copy your Linktree website. Tap on copy. As you have copied it, you can tap and go to my Instagram below, and as you reach onto this edit profile option, scroll down, tap on website and enter your Linktree website. As you finish doing it, scroll down and tap on submit on the bottom left corner below. You can see that your profile has been saved. Tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner once again, and you will see that here is a Linktree website. Tap on it, and as you do it, you will get a site known as Tutorials Point, where you can easily get the link that you have saved before. So this is just one link. You can go back, tap on add new link again, and as you do it, I was already tell you to, and tap on title and enter a title for it. As you do it, tap on this URL below and enter your link here. Tap on the stick option straight to add to link. Choose the type of a link that you're trying to share. As you do it, you can see that it has been added successfully. Now you can tap on share again on the top right corner. Tap on add a Linktree to your socials. Tap on Instagram. Tap on copy and tap on go to my Instagram below. Scroll down, and as you can see that you already have a website. You can keep that website once again, and then tap on submit on the bottom left corner below. So your profile has been saved. Tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here is a link on your Instagram bio of Linktree. Tap on it. As you do it, you can see that there are two of the link, that is Dali Museum and Tutorials Point. So you have two of the links on your Instagram bio. So this is how you add multiple links on your Instagram bio. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.